Now I'm going to jump to that wall and jump back, and then you have to jump over there, like this. Jump, 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 or you can jump like this. Right? So it's just like running. It's like a slow jog. Ready? But I haven't tried you yet. Go back.